Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your work will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 futures in a daily chart first. So here you can see that the S&P 500 futures have tested the lows of 3300 on October 2nd. So here I find that our trend looks very weak. Here I find that due to fading hopes over the financial stimulus to US economy, as according to Bloomberg reports, the White House offered Pelosi a $1.6 trillion package short of Democrats' $2.2 trillion proposal. The hope seems to be fading for a financial stimulus to US economy. So here you can see that the bearish pressure looks evident enough in a daily time frame. Here I find that the S&P 500 futures may continue to move downward. Here you can see that the S&P 500 futures bounced back from the lower end of this uptrend channel, where I find that current levels looks very indecisive for S&P 500 futures. Here I find that if the S&P 500 futures make a downward move below the levels of 3291 before today's closing, we'll see the S&P 500 futures to continue to slide downward during the upcoming week. So here I find that if the S&P 500 futures find a sustainable move below the levels of 3280 during the upcoming week, we will see the S&P 500 futures to slide more downward, where the immediate support can be seen at the levels of 3256 at the lower end of this uptrend channel, and the second support will be found at the levels of 3198. Friends, here I find that in today's move the S&P 500 futures can test the lows of 3286 before today's closing, which will confirm the continuity of this downward trend. So now let us check this move in an hourly time frame. So here in an hourly time frame, you can see that the S&P 500 futures have seen a reversal. So here you can see that after testing the lows of 3301, the S&P 500 futures have found a reversal. But here the S&P 500 futures have been constantly facing stiff resistance at the levels of 3332. So here you can see that the selling pressure is too strong above the levels of 3337, where I find that this may push the S&P 500 futures up to the levels of 3379 during the upcoming week. So here I find that if the S&P 500 futures find a weekly closing below the levels of 3294, we will see the S&P 500 futures to breach the next resistance of 3275 during the first trading session of the upcoming week. We'll see the S&P 500 futures could test the lower end of this uptrend channel, which is currently at the levels of 3248. From here, the S&P 500 futures may see some reversal during the upcoming week, but in case of a reversal, the S&P 500 futures could continue to face stiff resistance above the levels of 3310. We'll see regular sell-offs above the levels of 3310 during the upcoming week, but on the lower side, if the S&P 500 futures find a sustained move below the levels of 3268, we'll see the S&P 500 futures to breach the immediate support of 3250, which may result in a sharp downward move, where the S&P 500 futures can test the lows of 3197 during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that in the hourly time frame, here you can see that the formation of an exhaustive candle could result in a sharp downward move if we find the confirmation of this exhaustive candle during the next 1 hour. So here I find that during the next 1 hour, if the S&P 500 futures find a confirmation candle below this exhaustive candle, we see the S&P 500 futures could find a steep downward move from here. So friends, this is a live chart of S&P 500 futures, where you can see that the S&P 500 futures have been constantly facing heavy sell-off at the current levels. So here I find that the next candle will confirm the exhaustion to continue. So here I find that if the S&P 500 futures make a sustainable move below the levels of 3311 during the next 1 hour, we see the S&P 500 futures could see a steep fall from these levels up to the levels of 3280 before today's closing. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.